It's a real pleasure to be here and to invite Professor Ahsan Iqbal to our humble facility. When I was reading about the program that Professor Dr. Ahsan Saab ne jo abhi kiya Oran ka, I thought, my God, is he talking about us? He wants to encourage small and medium industry. That's us. He wants to encourage medical devices and the export thereof. That's us. Everything was about us, literally, including the health program, the mental health program, because Olson's is involved in the mental health field. Just for your information, Ahsan Saab, we have 8 centers in Pakistan which deal with mental health, including one in Lahore. We deal with children who have been traumatized, who are addicts, छोटे बच्चे 8 साल के 12-15 साल तक. It's a highly specialized field. So these are things I thought, my God, this is us. So I'm really happy that he's been able to come here. Our journey for the ventilator has been a very difficult journey. We started in March the year 2020 after COVID. By chance, Ahsan Saab, it was totally by chance. This is a very short story, I'll tell you. It's an interesting story. My daughter lives in London, and I had phoned her up. मैंने phone किया उसको, how are you, Mittu? So she said, I'm okay, Dad. Speak to your granddaughter, who was 13 at that time. So मैंने उनसे बात किया, Mittu, how are you? She said, I'm okay, Nana. I said, what do you mean you're okay, Nana? But Nana, do you know that there's COVID in England? I said, okay. But Nana, do you know there's a shortage of ventilators in England, in London? I said, okay, so? She said, Nana, you've got factories. So why don't you make ventilators for us? अब वो ख्याल आया वेंटिलेटर का, तो मेरी टीम को कहा, तो हमारी टीम जो है Ahsan Saab इतनी ज़बरदस्त है, the people who developed, they worked 24/7 in COVID. They slept in the office. आपको मिलवाऊंगा उनसे. They slept in the office, they had COVID in the office, and they worked in the office. So 6 months they worked 24/7 literally. तैयार कर दिया. Ventilator is probably the most difficult item in the medical field. MRI machine may be bigger, but उसमें इतनी technology नहीं है जितनी ventilator में है. जितनी उसमें खूबियाँ जो है ना ventilator में, it is fantastic. Having gone for the most difficult item, inshallah we will go for the simpler ones now, and we will be able to do it. We plan to expand the medical manufacturing with this first small step that we've taken. You'll see the assembly line. It's a very small assembly line. I know you're used to going to bigger places. हमारा छोटा सा है, मगर it is absolutely state of the art, and I can say it is all made in Pakistan. ये चीज़ है कि make in Pakistan. ये ज़रूरी है Ahsan Saab for of course the ventilator में कुछ imported components तो हैं, there has to be, because certain things we don't make. We don't make the screen, we don't make valves, there's certain things we don't make, and there's certain things in the ventilator which have to go through 10 million cycles for it to be approved. So that would take years. We can make them, we will make them, we will slowly delete more and more. Already making about 70% of the ventilator, and inshallah we will continue to delete even more than that, and other devices as well. We will show you around here. We've got a lot of technology to show you. And first we'll start off with our video, and then we would like to, I think Dr. Fozia will invite you to say a few words, and then we can go on a tour. We'll show you a small video. Thank you.